Children, now we are going to discussion social studies 9th class our earth. We are living on the earth's surface along with the animals, planets, microorganisms. Earth is a better place to live. It is suitable to human habitation and biosphere. Our earth is one of the planet among the 8 planets. Earth is the storehouse of the all resources like water, trees, minerals, forest, animals, human beings, etc. But recklessly exploitation of resources by the man. This one leads to the environmental crisis. Look at the yellow circle. Carl Sagan said that the total human history has happened inside of yellow circle. That is our home. That means our planet. This photo taken from the space. It is also known as Spale blue dot. Initially, people thought that Earth was center in the solar system and sun and planets revolve around the Earth. It is a wrong concept. According to new concept, Earth is not a center in the solar system. Sun in the center in the solar system. Earth and the remaining planets revolving around the sun. A large group of stars are called galaxies. There are millions of galaxies we can see in our universe. The birth of universe took place 13.7 billion years ago with a Big Bang theory. Big Bang theory tells about the origin of universe. Today, human beings are investigating sending satellites and spaceships. Our country also launched so many satellites and PSLV, GSLV, mainly Mangalyaan and Chandrayaan. The Mangalyaan sent to the Mars to research surface of the Mars. Chandrayaan also launched by our country by the ISRO. The Earth rotates on its own axis and goes around the Sun. This is called orbit. Earth's orbit is not a circle. Look at the picture. A picture and B picture, C picture. C picture is elliptical shape. A picture is a circular path. C is the correct path of the Earth's orbit. The length of the Earth's orbit 940 million kilometers. Sometimes Earth close to the Sun, sometimes farthest to the Earth. The average distance between the Sun and the Earth 149.7 million kilometers. So farthest point of the Sun and the Earth, the distance between the Sun and Earth 152 million square kilometers. The closest position 147 million kilometers. The Earth travels around the Sun at the speed of 107,200 kilometers per hour. At this speed, it takes 365 1 by 4th day. That means 365 days, 6 hours. The word Earth derived from the Greek word erytho, meaning ground, soil, dry land. In Indian language, have multiple words for the earth. In Sanskrit terms include Bhumi, Prithvi, Dharani, Avani. Most of the scientists are believed Earth began to form around 4.5 billion years ago. It began as a ball of swirling dust and clouds and passed through a molten stage. At the time, the Earth was very hot and was constantly bombarded by massive rocks and other materials from the space. Slowly, an upper part of the crust of lighter and cooler materials form a covering the molten interior. As the Earth's interior continued to cool, it contracted and the outer crust wrinkled, forming ridges became mountains and low areas which became oceans on the Earth's surface. Now we are going to discuss about internal structure of the Earth. Earth is the 5th biggest planet in solar system. It is very difficult to know the Earth's interior, even though some of the scientists also investigated analysis of data of the Earth's interior. Actually, the distance between from the surface to Earth's center 6,000 kilometers. It is made up of 3 main layers: crust, mantle, core. The crust, we are living on the crust. The outer part of the Earth's surface is known as the crust. This layer goes up to the depth 3,200 kilometers. It mainly consists of various kinds of rocks. The thickness of the crust is just about the thickness of the shell of an egg. If you assume that the size of the earth is equal to the size of an egg, the crust is occupying only 1%. Next layer, mantle, it is 100 to 2900 kilometers in thickness. The upper part of the mantle is a pliable layer over which the crust float. This consists mainly of chemicals called silicates. 16% of the Earth's surface. Next, we are going to discuss of the core. The core is 2900 to 6376 kilometers in thickness. It is composed of the dense and heavy substances like iron and nickel. It can be divided into again two sublayers. They are outer core, inner core. Outer core thickness 2900 kilometers to 5100 kilometers. It is a liquid metallic like nickel and iron. Next, inner core. This solid inner core. The thickness is 5100 kilometers to 6376 kilometers. The earth is made up of iron compound. It is heavily substance and heavy substance like gold. Now we are discussing about movements of the earth crust and grid, latitudes and longitudes. Over millions of years, some continents collided with others. Due to this, the land came up and rising. These land are called mountains. Example, Himalayan mountains. Lowlands became oceans and formed drier. They are still moving around. In the early 20th century, a German meteorologist and physicist, Albert Wegener, introduced the theory of continental drift to describe and partially explain the present arrangement of continents and oceans. He postulated a massive supercontinent which he called Pangaea. That means old land in Greek language. According to him, it was existed 220 million years ago and moved away from each other. Wegener hypothesized this supercontinent of Pangaea broke up into two parts. These are Eurasia and Gondwana. Eurasia consists present North America, Greenland and all of the Eurasia north of Indian subcontinent. And Gondwana land consists present South America, Africa, Madagascar, India, Arabia, Malaysia, East Indies and Australia, Antarctica. These two blocks were separated by inland sea called Tethys. Once upon a time, this sea in the place of Himalayas. Even today, many of the continents are moving very slowly, pushing each other. Now we are discussed about the Earth's grid system. Let us know the meaning of the grid. The grid means on globe, a network of latitudes and longitudes are called grid. In our textbook, given one example, the place is Kobe. We can find the place with the help of the latitudes and longitudes on the globe or map. According to given information, Kobe located in Japan. With the help of the grid, we can locate any place on the globe or map. We can estimate size of the area. It is placed 34 degrees 41 minutes north latitude and 135 degrees 12 minutes east longitudes. Look at the picture. This picture already given lower class. Do you know that it is in the 6th class? We have studied there about hemisphere. Observe the picture. Here given 4 images with 4 shaded images. Northern hemisphere, the area between the 0 degree equator to the 90 degree north pole. Southern hemisphere, the area between the 0 degree equator to south pole, 90 degrees south pole, so on remaining. With the help of given picture, complete the given table in the textbook. What are the continents located on the northern hemisphere? First, I will tell one example. Later, you have to complete it at your own. In northern hemisphere, located some continents mainly North America, Asia, Europe, some of the part of Africa, some of the part of South America. Now we have to discussing about latitudes and longitudes. These are the imaginary lines. Horizontal line on the globe is called latitudes. The latitude words came from the Latin word latitudo, meaning width and breadth. These lines parallel to the equator never meet each other. It ranges 0 degree to, that means equator, to 90 degrees to the south. 0 degree to 90 degrees to the north of the equator. That means from equator to north, from equator to south. 90 degrees north is called north pole, 90 degrees south is called south pole. Means 90 latitudes in the north to 90 latitudes in the south. 0 degree latitude is the longest latitude, also called equator. There is no latitudes less than 0 degree nor greater than 90 degrees. In geometrically, latitudes expressed in degrees, minutes and seconds. From equator to the north pole is called northern hemisphere. From equator to the south pole is called southern hemisphere. There are 90 latitudes in the south, there are 90 latitudes in the north. The totally 180 latitudes excluding equator. North Pole, the Arctic Circle and the Tropic of Cancer are the important latitudes in the northern hemisphere. On the other hand, the South Pole, the Antarctic Circle and the Tropic of Capricorn are the important latitudes in the southern hemisphere. Now we are going to discussing about the longitudes. Longitudes are the vertical lines on the globe. Longitudes came from the Latin word longitudo, meaning length. There are semicircle connecting pole to pole. There are not full circles. Every longitude cuts across every latitude. Longitudes are called meridians. 0 degree longitude is called prime meridian or Greenwich line. 0 degree longitude pass through the Greenwich near London. Spelling is green, but you must spell or pronounce Greenwich. Earth is divided into two hemispheres by the prime meridian or 0 degree longitudes. One on the eastern side is called eastern hemisphere and the other side is called western hemisphere. Both sides 180 degree longitudes also called international straight line. Latitudes are also called parallel. Longitudes are also called meridian. Meridian word came from the Latin, the meaning noon. Now we are discussing time and travel. You know that the earth rotates on its own axis from west to east. There is a difference in time as you travel from west to east or east to west. When you traveling west to east, you gain time of 4 minutes as you cross every longitudes. But if you are traveling from the east to west, you lose 4 minutes, you cross every longitudes. These are referred as EGA, that means east gaining add. WLS, that means west loss subtract. To avoid the confusion about time, the world is divided into 24 time zones, starting from the Greenwich meridian, going east to west. That means 12 zones on the east to 12 zones on the west. One time zone consists 15 longitudes. Already you know, one longitude takes 4 minutes to cross. How many minutes taken by the 15 longitudes? 15 into 4, that is equal to 60 minutes. That means 1 hour. 24 time zones taking time 24 hours. Every country having a standard meridian for its local time. Indian standard meridian is 82 degrees 30 minutes east longitudes. Indian standard time to determine with the help of this meridian. This one passes middle of our country. You know what is the time difference between the GMT and IST? That means India and London. 5.5 hours ahead. At the ending of the textbook, some of the students' exercise is there, mainly student activities you have to practice at home.